For this beautiful DIY, you would need some colorful pebbles. You can need the beads. I have made it from the hot glue gun. You would need the scissor, pencil, sharpener or something for the drawing, and then papers and the butterfly, and you would need the jute twine or anything that is that work for you. Paintbrush, colors, different colors you would need. The main thing of this DIY is actually you can take either a bark or any wooden thing you have, or the leftover that I'm using. It is actually a paper roll, which was which was the leftover when I placed my all of the wallpaper. So it was under that, and the wallpaper were wrapped around it. So I'm using this in DIY, and then you would need a glue gun. For this DIY, first you have to paint this paper roll. I don't like the color of this. If you like it, you can actually keep it, and if you take any wooden bark, then you have to paint it also. I'm taking the color. It's not a black color, actually. It's sort of dark gray sort of color that I'm taking, but it will give the illusion of black color. You can do whatever the color you like, and I have added a little bit of water in a color to make a smooth look. So you're seeing that how I'm applying it. You have to cover it all over, and there should not be any see-through that you can see, and then let it dry. For the decoration of this wall hanging, I'm going to use the beads which are being made by the hot glue gun. These are very easy to make. You can take any beads. If you have some old necklace, you can take out from them, or either you can buy it from the market. But I'm using the hot glue gun beads. And it's very easy to make. All you need is a hot glue gun and any surface area where the glue gun does not sticks. I'm using this sticker paper. Actually, these stickers I haven't made. The beads that I'm making, they are the only one that I have made. You can do different things. Either you can put some glitter before applying the glue, and then you can have a glittery glue, or either you can put something else, small beads or something, and then you can apply the hot glue gun. You can see the results. These are the beads that have been dried, so I have taken out. Either you can apply some paint, nail polish paint, or the acrylic paints. I actually didn't like the result of nail polish much on the beads, but it's up to you, whatever you like. So I'm going to paint all these beads in a different color, and all the colors that I'm going to use, they will be matched with the pebbles color. So you can easily see I have different colors of pebble, and I will try to paint all these beads with the same color. I'll paint these beads into 4 different colors according to the pebbles that I'm going to use. I have 4 colors. One is blue. Actually, you can take any sort of blue, but I have taken the blue which is nearly resemble with the pebbles that I'm using. Then green, and it's a sap green, I think, and then it's a purple. So whatever colors you like, you can use it. It's up to you. It's totally up to your choice, but I have tried to match the color with the colors of the pebbles and a yellow color. So you can see that it's a yellow color, and I really like the yellow color. So how you have to do, you have to take out paints, little bit paints. You can add a bit of water, but not too much, because it would go runny. If you like the lighter color, then you add more water, but if you like the darker shades, then you don't have to add the water in it. So it will give the darker effect. Or you can apply the continuous strokes, as you are seeing that by applying the strokes, it's actually getting darker from the lighter to the darker blue. So in this way, I'm going to apply these color all over the beads. And then these are the violet one. It's looking like blue, but it's not blue. It's actually purple. Sorry, it's not violet, it's purple. and then I'm applying green and some yellow. Now all you have to do till your beads are getting dried, this paper roll has got dried, so you have to start do the measuring. I have taken the scale and the pencil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the 7 centimeter from the both side, and then from the middle I'm taking 11 centimeter. Again, the measurement is up to you how you want to measure and how much you want. I actually didn't want lots of, so what I have did, I have left some space from both end. So I have taken 7 centimeter from the both sides, and then the 11 centimeter. After the 7 centimeter I'm measuring it and I'm taking 11 centimeter. So in this way I have almost done the 5 threads I will use. This is the final result. I have tied these 5 jute twine. Again, the length of the twines is up to you. Either you want them equal or you don't want. Now I'm going to cut the ends which look bad, and what I will do, I will add I will actually stick with this knot area with the hot glue gun, because I don't want that they move all the time. So I will seal this knot area with the hot glue gun. So in this way they will stay in their place and they will not move here and there and everywhere. The length of the twine, it's up to you. I have almost, they are equal for me, but it's up to you. Again, you want the bigger one, the smaller one, in what way you want. Let it dry the glue gun, and it's okay if they are some sort of small these threads. For the butterfly, all you need some color papers, and this is the final result. In the end, the butterfly would look like in this, and I have done some coloring in it, because butterfly, it has lots of colors, so you can do the multiple colors, but I have used the color the darker of the colored paper that I have used. And how I have made this butterfly, I have taken these colored papers, and I will fold it twice. Like, first I will fold it into half, and it's okay if they are not equal, because in the end you have to cut, so that's okay. From two colored papers you will have two butterfly, and then you have to fold it again, you have to fold it in a half in the same way. And now, after folding this colored paper, what I will do, I will draw the butterfly with the help of this plastic butterfly. It's actually the leftover, I didn't buy this. So what I'm going to do, I'm putting it in a half, and then I will draw around the area. Why we are using half? Because the half butterfly would be on the other side. When you cut the paper, you will have the whole butterfly, and we have taken the two colored papers, so it will be two butterflies with this. So if you have more color paper, there will be more butterfly. I'm going to draw it, and it's okay if it's not that neat, because in the end you can see that it's looking very beautiful. And don't worry about the errors, it's very neat, it doesn't matter. And now you have to cut it neatly. I don't have paper scissor, so I'm cutting it with whatever I have, and this is the final result. And you can see that this is very beautiful, it looks very beautiful. Now I have two butterfly, because one is the front part of the butterfly and the other is the back area of butterfly. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking the green color, which is the darker than, which is actually resembling with this, but it's a bit darker green, and I'm making the whole circular motions because butterfly has pattern on it. And this is the final result. You can see I have lots of butterflies, and I have done it and I have cut it because I don't want to make this video too long. So I have lots of butterflies. So now it's a time to assemble all the things together. At last, it's assembling time. What you have to do, you have to add the back of the butterfly around the jute twine, and then you have to add a little bit of glue gun, and then all you have to do, you have to stick it with the glue gun. You can see that how I'm applying it. In this way the butterfly will stick with the jute twine, and then it will move when you move the twine, and then what you have to do, you have to just fold their actually feathers. You know, butterfly, they have their feathers. I'm not sure they have feathers or what. I think they don't have feathers, but they have something. Well, or whatever they have, they move their little tiny feathers. So all you have to do, you have to make it in this way so it would look real. And I have added all the butterflies, and you can clearly see they are looking so pretty. You can leave it as it, or you can either accessorize them more. I'm adding some more pebbles and the beads that I have made, but I'm not going to do a lot of with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this beads, this hot glue gun bead. You can apply them anywhere, but I didn't like it, them somehow I didn't like them on the butterfly anyway, so I thought that I should apply them on the jute twine. You have to apply the glue on the bead, but be careful, it's also made from the hot glue gun, so you have to be careful, otherwise it will be melted away. So you just have to apply it a bit, and then you have to wait before applying the other, otherwise they both will melt because of the heat. And put something under your table, because it can ruin your table. And the glue gun, you have to clean a lot of mess, so I have put the paper, and now you can see that I will take another bead, and then I will fix this bead in the same way I will do on the all other twines, and I will apply the pebbles in the same way, and then you can see the final result, which is very beautiful.